Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This is going to be a review. We're using search is number, looking through text string, and why are we using is number? What does search do? Locates the position of text within a cell. Position gives us a number. Then what does is number do? It just tells us, yep, that's a number, true or false. Let me just show you what's going on here. We have a string. We have a word. Does this word fit somewhere within this text string? And if so, yes. Otherwise, no. Now the question is, are we concerned about case sensitivity? Search is not case sensitive. If you are concerned about case sensitive or case sensitivity, you can use the find. You're going to get the same results. Is number tests if a cell is a number, true or false. Locates the position of text. What we're going to do is we're just going to get this, and we're going to get value F9. Well, it's going to be false. What we want is to look here, F9. We continue to get these values. If we want to look at the anatomy internally, we can just go to search and find text, hit F9. And we hit yellow, and within text, F9, we're saying is yellow within this text. Search is going to dump this over into is num. What's going to happen here? Value. Remember, what's is num? True or false? F9, 5. Well, that's the value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's with the position. The final outcome is going to be is number. F9 is true. When you go around and you're hitting the F9 with this thing, unless you have a great memory as to what triggers what, you're just going to poke around and see what the outcome is. And trust me, I have no idea what triggers what. I know we can go in here and we can just follow. We can follow these and we can get the output here. F9, it should be true. Nope, it's 5. I thought that would be true. Sometimes if you kind of just fool around and see what happens here. Is that 5 or true? See, that's 5. If we hit search inside the parenthesis, we get 5. If we go in here, we're probably going to get a value error because we're trying to get find text within text. They're two different arguments within the search or expressions. You can play around it on your own. Over on the right, if you need it, read it. And the anatomy is, well, it's very straightforward. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.